Good job!
Hi, hello! I will go at Tribal Music Tutorials. Ano lesson at Commonwealth Avenue. I'm excited! Yahoo!
Okay, let's start. Okay. First, you need to sit tall. Oh, sit tall. So, right. So you need to sit tall. So don't slouch. Okay na. Like this. Not like that. Alright, good. Next is let arms hang loosely from shoulder. Okay? Relax. How can you do this one? Oh, look at teacher. Ah, good. Next one, bench must face piano squarely. Okay. Good job. Next one, try to put your hand on the piano. Okay, then close your hand like make a fist and then make a fist. Yep. And then slowly open. Slowly open. Slowly open. It's like you are doing, ano ba ang tawag ito? A claw hand. Claw. Yep, like that. Good. Okay, one more time. Touch your hand, make a fist, and then slowly open. Oh, stop. Pause. One more time. Open, slowly open. Pause. And pause like this. Let me do this one. Is that your claw hand?
Yes.
How about this one? Err. Good job. And then put your right hand, close your hand, make a fist, and then open slowly. Open slowly. Oh, pause. That's it. One more time even. Close. Make a fist. And then slowly open. Slowly. Konti pa. One more. That's it. That's a perfect hand position. Okay. Or imagine you are holding nakalagay. So imagine you are holding a stress ball. Okay, and then pause. Yan. Good. And then the other side. That's one. That's right. Good job. Next one. Kailangan mo susi. Okay. Make sure you sit on center of the keyboard. Center of the piano. Center of the keyboard. this is your keyboard, right? This is your keyboard. The center of the keyboard is here. So, you must face on the center of the keyboard. Okay? Good job. Next one, your knees. What is it? It says knees slightly under keyboard. So, knee slightly under the keyboard. So, if you have a keyboard, do not sit like this. Slightly lang. Okay, you need to sit back. Just like that. This one is a good distance. Good, perfect distance. Next one. O, dahil meron ko kailangan nyo ng stool. Pero okay lang po. Next po. So, in playing piano, of course, we need our hands to play the piano. Okay? For your hands, we have a left and right hand. Yes. So, our first finger is our what? Your first finger is your thumb. Then your second finger is your pointy, your index finger. Okay, your third finger is your middle finger. Yep. And then your fourth finger is your ring finger. This one. Where's your ring finger? This is your ring finger, your fourth. And then the last one, your pinky is your fifth finger. So, the numbers of the fingers is called finger numbers. Of course, finger numbers. Okay, let's do an exercise. Let's do an exercise. Hold your hand like this. Good. And then, when I say one, you need to wiggle your both first finger, your thumb. Okay? Ready? Wait pa. Wait pa. Yan, like this. Okay, ready? Ready then? One. Oh, one. Where's your one? Finger number one, and then wiggle. Wiggle the first number. Second finger. Third finger. Fourth finger. Fifth. Second finger. Where's your second finger then? Yun, good. First finger. Number one. Number three. Three. Good. That's your fourth. This is your third finger. Three. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? One more. 5. Nice. Start from the left. Okay, ready? Okay, put your right hand here. And then your left and right hand. Or where's your right hand? What's your right hand? Right finger. Okay, ready? Don't forget to sing. I go. Good. Oh, one more time. Don't forget to play the finger numbers. Start on the second finger.
Left hand, please. Sing along. Right hand, please. And also.
Very nice. Oh, ready po? Okay. First is left hand. Second finger. Okay, one more time. Okay, lift your hand. Rest your shoulder. Relax. Good. That's right. One more time. Drop your shoulder. Good job. Okay, let's try it from the start. Start. Okay, ready? Don't forget to play your second finger first. Second finger first. Okay, ready? Ready, Eden? Good job! You're welcome. Thank you for your time, Eden.
Yes. See you next time.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Yunus Kinobi. I'm the owner of Practice Tutorials. So we conduct face-to-face lesson, lessons, Mahilig lessons, simple lessons, and